Southbound US 131 has just reopened after a deadly crash shut a portion of it down for hours this morning.
This all happened between Post and West River Drive in Kent County. And 24 Hour News 8's Mark Thompson joins us now live from the scene. So, Mark, what have you learned about the victims involved here?
Well, good afternoon, Brett. And as you mentioned, 131 southbound is now back open. In fact, the highway is back open in both directions. That crash happened just north of the Post Drive exit here off of 131, and troopers were out here for several hours investigating. We want to take you to some of the video now. That crash happened just after 8 o'clock this morning, and as you can see, several cars were involved. And from what we've been able to gather, there were multiple injuries. We have yet to get this officially confirmed from state police who are working the scene, but my photographer and I have been out here all morning long, and he was able to observe a body in the middle of the highway and what appeared to be emergency crews cutting someone else out of a vehicle. And they were not treating them with a sense of urgency as if they would for a patient, so that usually tells us that there were multiple fatalities involved. But again, we're working to get the extent of those injuries and the number of people involved confirmed by police. And at one point, state police officers, troopers that is, were out here directing traffic back onto 131 southbound at this exit headed into Grand Rapids. But again, the highway is now back open in both directions. Reporting live, Mark Thompson, 24 Hour News 8.